If you have been asking yourself what business to start, then this video is for you. According to small business statistics, one of the biggest motivation of opening your own business is being your own boss. Owning a business gives you the freedom to work where, when and how you want. If you want to work at a beach or your grandma's house, you can go ahead, no one is going to stop you or question you. That's the benefit of owning your own business. That is the dream life so many people hope to live one day. And thanks to some great business idea, achieving that lifestyle is well within your reach. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Number 1, dropshipping. Are you looking to sell products online but you don't have the money to buy and store inventory? You can consider dropshipping. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model in which you don't have to manage any physical products. All you have to do is to set up an online store and connect with suppliers who are ready to store, package and ship orders to your customers. There is no need to spend hours on product research. You can use dropshipping apps like Automatically to find awesome products to sell online. If you are searching for easy online business idea to pursue, it will be hard to find something that tops dropshipping, because dropshipping is one of the simplest business idea to pursue if you have access to the right tools and resources. The biggest reason why people are often drawn to dropshipping is that you don't have to hold any inventory or physical products. But however, if holding inventory isn't an issue, maybe you have some space to store your products, you can consider wholesale business. Wholesale business is an online business model in which you buy products in bulk at a lower price rate and sell it at a retail higher price to your customers. Online marketplace like Handshake on Shopify enable small business owners to find unique and high quality products to sell and build long-lasting relationships with suppliers. Wholesale business is worth checking out as a supplement to dropshipping if you already know what you want to sell online. Number 2, print on demand. If you are looking for great business idea to execute, you can try print on demand or POD. Print on demand or POD is when you sell your own custom designs on items like phone cases, mugs, t-shirts and homewares, but you don't actually print the artwork. Instead, you collaborate with suppliers who print your designs on the products. They even package and ship the product directly to your customers, so you don't have to worry about the logistics. And you only pay once when you have sold the products, which simply means that no sales equals no cost. Number 3, translation. Multilingual people are always in demand. If you can speak 2 or more languages, you can consider starting a business where you can monetize those skills. You can look for clients on Upwork and FlexJobs and slowly build up your portfolio. As you work successfully with more and more companies, you can hire more translators who specialize in other languages to take things off your plate. It will be a very smart decision for you to market your business on social media platforms, as it will help to reach wider audience. Translation is one of the best sides also to pursue, as it will help you to schedule your clients based on when you are going to be available for work. Number 4, website flipping. This is a new business idea that has gotten everyone excited. It's only involved buying an already running website, improving its designs and contents, and then selling it for a handsome profit. There are quite a few places where you can buy and sell websites to earn a profit. Shopify marketplace like Exchange, for example, allows you to buy e-commerce websites that you can further improve through content marketing, SEO, search engine optimization, and other tactics. Once your site begins to generate revenue more than when you acquire it, that will be the perfect time to list it for sale on marketplace like Shopify marketplace like Exchange, and you make your profits. Number 5, home-based catering business. If you have a knack or passion for cooking and you see it as a creative outlet, you can make a decent income by opening a home-based catering business. The initial investment depends on how big you want the setup to be. For example, if you want to start with smaller events that you can manage on your own, you should be able to start your business for less. This is one of the most profitable business ideas that you can consider to start. If you know how to cook very well, you are very good at cooking, you have the skill, you can consider starting this business, because this business is a very lucrative business to start, because people will always eat. As long as people exist on this planet, food business will continue to boom. Number 6, virtual assistants. One of the most successful business ideas is to offer virtual assistant services. Everyone from large enterprises to solopreneurs, they require help with the day-to-day management of their business. This is where your services will be rendered as a virtual assistant. You can use your excellent organizational skills to take some weight off their shoulders. And of course, you'll be getting paid for the time and effort you put into answering emails, scheduling meetings, and performing other administrative duties. You can land your first few clients by responding to listings on Upwork, FlexJob, People Per Hour, Fiverr, and other freelance websites. This is a proven business model, as people always looking for efficient virtual assistants. Number 7, personal shopping. Do you often get praised for your eye for fashion trends? Are you someone that your family and friends always come to for clothing advice? Personal shopping can be a business that builds on those skills. Personal shoppers find clothing items for clients who don't have time to shop for themselves. This is a really amazing business idea to start if you have an eye for fashion. Duties involve evaluating your client's wardrobe, visiting websites and picking items that will suit them. There are all kinds of products on different online clothing boutiques, so you don't necessarily have to shop offline to get this business started. You don't also need to hold any personal certification or degree to get this business started. Anyone can start the business. If you don't go to college, you can start this business as a personal shopper. If your interest lies in business ideas with low investment, you can consider personal shopping business. Number 8, dog walking. As a professional dog walker, you'll be helping pet owners in the community to keep their dog happy, healthy and well exercised. Dog walking business require no initial investment other than marketing and business liability insurance. Business liability insurance will protect you in case of accidents, bites. It is a good idea to recharge prices that reflect your insurance cost, with the average range of $30 to $60 per hour. You can establish a presence for your dog walking business on a number of platforms like Wag, Rover and Care.com. Offer promotion for new clients and build a positive reputation by requesting reviews from those people that you have worked with in the past. Number 9, car detailing. Contrary to popular belief, it is possible to make car detailing a full-time business, with the average profit for car detailing between $50 to $400 per car, meaning that you can make a healthy profit if you find consistent clients. The key to success in car detailing business is marketing. You need to spread the word about your services across social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms and websites, and also encourage regular reviews as well. Try to offer discount for new clients or package deals for those who commit to multiple sessions. All you need to get this business off the ground or to get started is cleaning supplies and driveway. Number 10, online tutoring business. If you are an expert in arts, maths and other subjects, you can consider to start online tutoring business. The essential prerequisite you need to have is a bachelor degree in the subjects you intend to teach. You can find online tutoring clients on websites like Schooly and Tutor.com. For the best results, always teach a subject that relates to your expertise, because you'll be able to share your skills and ideas and also constructive knowledge to enhance your students' own knowledge. You can deliver lecture and interact with your students over Zoom, making tutoring an easy online business to start. Great people, this is the end of this video. Please kindly like the video, give the video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel now. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. God bless you.